Once, Abdul Kalam asked to lit a lamp. He took a candle and lit a lamp and said that I am Muslim, I lit a Hindu lamp using Christian candle, and this should be unity in our country. A very good evening to all of you. My name is Shakshi Shrivastava and I am here to express my opinion on the topic of unity and diversity. So friends, do you really feel that there will be unity in diversity? The answer is yes. India, which is the place of diversity, here we individually are different. We all are unique. If we see the causes of diversity, there are many, like religion, region, caste, race, age, gender, and there are many more. But we are united today. We all are diverse, but still we all are united. How? So the answer is, and the reason behind is this, is Constitution. Constitution make us unite. Constitution gives same provision, law, fundamental rights, fundamental duties. And that's why we all are united. There are many examples of unity. In past, when freedom fighter was fighting for independence, they all are belongs to different religion, caste, but they were united. So friends, unity is not just a word. Unity is a feeling. Unity is a feeling of brotherhood. Unity is a feeling of compassion. Unity is a feeling which is going to take our nation into prosperous height. So, if we see today's generation, so we all are the future of our nation. We all are the future of our country. So, there should be unity in ourselves. But how? So, by active participating, by understand that what is our responsibility and duty towards our nation. And trust me, the day you will realize the responsibility and duty towards your nation, we will change the face of our country. So friends, let's hold a hand and help each other. And take help if we want. Yes, we know we all are diverse, but we all are united. And last, I want to conclude my session with one quote, and that is, जिस दिन तेरे फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पे लहराएगा, जिस दिन तेरे फतेह का परचम इस मिट्टी पे लहराएगा, क्या जमीन क्या आसमान ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा. जय हिंद.